and China, two ancient civilizations, two modern giants, their relationship has seen phases of friendship, conflict, and cautious cooperation over the decades. As we mark the 75th anniversary of diplomatic ties, let's take a look back. When India gained independence in 1947 and China established the People's Republic of 1949, both nations shared a vision of post colonial solidarity. The slogan Hindi Chini Bye Bye reflected the friendship. India was among the first countries to recognize the new Chinese government, and both nations hoped for a peaceful coexistence. However, cracks among the relationship started to emerge in the 1950s. The most significant turning point was in 1959 when Dalai Lama, the Tibetan spiritual leader, fled to India seeking asylum after China's crackdown in Tibet. India's decision to grant him refuge enraged Beijing, which worsened diplomatic ties. Tensions over border disputes escalated into an open conflict in 1962 when China launched an offensive along the Himalayan frontiers. India suffered a military defeat and the relations between the two nations plummeted. The war left deep scars and the trust was shattered among the two. For over a decade, diplomatic relations remained frozen, but in 1976, efforts were made to normalize ties, leading to the gradual reopening of dialogue. Economic interactions and diplomatic engagements began improving, setting the stage for better relations in the years to come. We can take the example of SCO and BRICS. Today, India and China are economic powerhouses with significant trade relations, but the relationship remains complex. Border tensions, particularly in 2020 Galwan Valley clash, have strained ties. Yet both countries continue diplomatic efforts through summits, trade agreements, and recognizing the importance of maintaining stability in the region. So, India and China have experienced a dynamic relationship. As both nations look forward to the future, the challenge remains whether they can find a balance between competition and cooperation.